Budgeting is a cornerstone of financial success, yet many people struggle to get it right. Are you making common budgeting mistakes without even realizing it? The truth is, even small errors can derail your financial goals. In this video, we'll explore 10 budgeting mistakes you're probably making and how to fix them. By the end, you'll have actionable tips to take control of your finances and avoid these pitfalls. Do you know where every dollar of your paycheck goes? If not, you're not alone. Many people fail to track their expenses, which makes it impossible to create an accurate budget. Without tracking, you might overspend in certain categories without even realizing it. Solution: start by using a budgeting app or a simple spreadsheet to log every purchase. This will help you identify spending patterns and adjust your budget accordingly. Are you trying to save 50% of your income while still paying off debt? While ambition is great, setting unrealistic goals can lead to frustration and burnout. You might give up on budgeting altogether if your goals feel unattainable. Solution: set SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, aim to save 10% of your income each month instead of an overwhelming 50%. Do you find yourself scrambling to pay for annual subscriptions, car repairs, or holiday gifts? These irregular expenses can throw your budget off track if you're not prepared. Solution: create a separate category in your budget for irregular expenses. Divide the total annual cost by 12 and set aside that amount each month. Do you think that $5 coffee or $3 snack doesn't matter? Those small purchases add up quickly and can blow your budget without you even noticing. Solution: track every purchase, no matter how small. You might be surprised at how much those little expenses add up over time. Is your budget the same as it was 6 months ago? Life changes and so should your budget. Failing to adjust your budget for new expenses or income changes can leave you feeling financially strained. Solution: review your budget monthly and make adjustments as needed. This ensures your budget stays aligned with your current financial situation. Do you have a plan for unexpected expenses like medical bills or car repairs? Without an emergency fund, you might rely on credit cards or loans, which can lead to debt. Solution: aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in an emergency fund. Start small if needed, but make it a priority. Are you paying for subscriptions or memberships you no longer use? It's easy to forget about these recurring charges, but they can drain your budget over time. Solution: review your bank statements and cancel any subscriptions or memberships you don't actively use. This simple step can free up extra cash each month. Do you feel guilty when you spend money on entertainment or hobbies? A budget that's too restrictive can lead to burnout and make it harder to stick to your financial goals. Solution: include a category for fun in your budget. This allows you to enjoy life while still staying on track financially. Are you struggling to save money each month? If you're relying on willpower alone, you might forget or skip saving altogether. Solution: set up automatic transfers to your savings account each payday. This ensures you save consistently without having to think about it. Do you create a budget and then forget about it? A budget is only effective if you review it regularly and make adjustments as needed. Solution: schedule a monthly budget review to track your progress and make necessary changes. This keeps you accountable and helps you stay on top of your finances. Budgeting doesn't have to be overwhelming or restrictive. By identifying and fixing these common mistakes, you can take control of your finances and achieve your goals. Remember, budgeting is a skill that improves with practice. So, are you ready to stop making these mistakes and start building a brighter financial future? The power to change is in your hands. Start today. By addressing these 10 budgeting mistakes, you'll not only improve your financial health but also gain peace of mind. Don't let these errors hold you back any longer. Take action now and watch your financial situation transform.